In this video, I am going to teach you how to name an aldehyde. Actually, what is an aldehyde? Aldehyde is a functional group, and this functional group aldehyde is either you will see it as a CHO if it is in condensed manner, and if it is given in the structural form, then you will see an aldehyde as CHO. This is the structure. Now, in this CHO, to the carbon, oxygen is bonded by a double bond and hydrogen is attached to carbon by a single bond. So, when you get an example of an aldehyde, either it will be written as this CHO or it will be given in the structural form. So, you should be able to identify that this and this are same, it is an aldehyde. So, first of all, when you get an organic compound, you have to identify that which functional group it has. So, it is confirmed that it's an aldehyde, and now you have to apply the rule for an aldehyde. Aldehyde, what is the rule? First of all, you find the name of an alkane. How many carbons are there in the chain? And the carbon of the aldehyde should be included in the number. Total number of carbon, it should be included. And second thing, the aldehyde carbon should get number 1. No matter where it is located, even if you have to shorten the chain, please ignore the rule number 1, that is longest chain. Aldehyde has to be a part of a main chain, and that too, the carbon of the aldehyde has to be given number 1. Please remember this. Now, this is an example. Now, how many carbons are there in the main chain? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, here it's a straight chain. I am not facing the situation where I have to shorten the chain. In the further examples which we will discuss, this kind of situation may arise that you will have to take a call whether you have to keep aldehyde as part of your chain, or you have to go for the rule that carbon numbers, that is longest chain. So, if you have to make a choice that if I take aldehyde as a part of my chain, then I am ignoring rule number 1. You can ignore rule number 1. You have to ignore rule number 1. Why? Because aldehyde is a functional group, and functional group should be a part of a main chain, and that to that functional group which has carbon in its structure. So, aldehydes and carboxylics, they have carbon in their structure. So, you have to include their carbon in your main chain. So, it is getting, and that too, top of that, it should get number 1. Then this is number 2, 3, 4. So, rule is find out the name of an alkane. So, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, after you decide that it's a butane, clear? Then strike off E of an alkane. So, butane, E you forget. So, it becomes butan. E you strike off. And then it's always number 1. So, it is butan dash 1 dash. Now, what is the suffix for aldehydes? Al, Al. Please be very clear in writing A. Sometimes your A looks like O. So, please be clear that you are writing Al. So, the structure is, or the name, IUPAC name is butan dash 1 dash all. Or you can also, I will just change little view, you can also write it as 1 dash butanol. This is also correct. Either you write it as butan dash 1 dash all, or 1 dash butanol is also correct. So, these are the two ways of writing an aldehyde. Thank you.